Hey, what's up with it, y'all? Just here, cleaning up the hard body, just on lockdown like everybody else. So I'm gonna do the quarantine lockdown, uh, de-germing, cleaning up the hard body. No, I'm just messing around. So I'm just gonna clean it up, get rid of some of those viruses that might be lurking around in there. You never know. So I got me some good handy products here that I'm gonna use. Top of the line stuff. This is definitely things that you're gonna want to try to get. Might not even be able to get these no more, but I got some and I'm gonna use it on my car right now. This is it. This is stuff I was talking about right here, guys. Spick and span. Look at that antibacterial spray. It's best around. It's good shit though. It smells alright. It's gonna make the inside of the truck smell okay. And then I got this here too. The LA's totally awesome. Just as something else, just to spray in there. But yeah, guys, I'm just bored like everyone else, and just trying to stay busy, clean up the truck, and just try to do a few things around the house too, But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the truck right now. Probably pull it out here in a minute and probably spray the outside. But I'm having a hard time right now because my pressure washer wasn't working too good at the house. Well, the hose got a crack in the pressure washer, so we weren't able to pressure wash at the house no more. And local car washes have been shut down because they are certified non-essential. So there's really no other place to wash the car, but I'm going to bust out the hose here in a minute. It's leaking a little bit, but I'm just going to try to use it, do it real fast, see what I can do, make it work. It was already pretty dirty. I don't know how it even got that dirty. I just cleaned it a while back. I guess I didn't clean it that good. Throw it down in the comments. What's your favorite cleaning products that you guys like to use on your truck or car back at home? Thanks, guys. Alright, so as soon as I started this, I knew it was going to be a pretty big project, so the first thing I did was I kicked it off with the dead game. Pretty soon here, I think I'm going to take out all like that amplifier and stuff that I have in the back there, and I'm going to upgrade it to something a little bit more better. I kind of want to put like a nice Scar audio amplifier, because I do got that subwoofer, the shallow mount one. So I want to go everything just Scar, you know, and then I have the nice, I think it's a Kenwood head unit there. So I'm going to use the Kenwood, and then I got some nice door speakers there, and I might try to add some others somewhere else, you know, like tweeters or something else, you know. Maybe go get those I forget what they are. Maybe the C-pillar moldings or C-pillar trim from Pathfinder that has the speaker grill in it. I'm gonna go take some of those, snag that from the junkyard here pretty soon. Or if I ever get a chance to find any, every time I go, they're always taken. Hope everybody's doing all right. All my subscribers. I hope none of you guys come down with any kind of sickness. You know what I mean? I don't want to say the actual word, but hopefully none of you guys get it. I don't want to lose any of my subscribers. But yeah, guys, really, I hope nobody gets sick. I hope everybody stays good, stay healthy. Try to, you know, self-isolate. Do what you got to do. You know, even if it does sound silly, do whatever you got to do right now, just till we get past this, guys. Everybody will. We'll go back to normal here pretty soon. It's going to take a while, but we'll get back to the grind, you know, back to what it used to be. Throw it down in the comments if you got a system in your mini truck. I like the way that Scar audio one sounds, but sometimes it's just not enough, you know what I mean? Like I want more, you know, so that's always the bad part. If you guys understand and that's happened to you and you're going through the same kind of struggles, you know, throw a like down for me, you know, I'd appreciate it. The Hardbody's a good truck. It's probably going to be one of your better choices in a grid down situation. it's starting to look a lot better in here. Not as dusty as it was, you know. Like I've said before, it's just been out here chilling for a few months now. I go out there and I start it up every once in a while. I haven't really been driving it. Took it for a drive about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks. Cruised it up and down the street and ended up coming back. I don't know. I didn't want to get stopped. I don't even know why I was worried about getting stopped. I have insurance and everything, and I was just tripping. But yeah, guys, I'm just finishing it up right now. I don't know what happened to the camera angle here, but yeah, I'm cleaning up all like the places where you would touch, you know. So I just want to make sure to clean up all those spots. Alright, so disregard the comment about the camera angle. I was able to switch it over in editing here. It had like it was flipped over, you know what I mean? Like if you were taking a straight shot or something. So I flipped it over, get it right for you guys. That way at least you get to see what I was doing. But that's probably going to be it for this quick little video, guys. I just wanted to, like I said, chop it up. Have a little video out there for you guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment. Like I said, comment what you use for your car, and subscribe to the channel and share a video if you don't mind. I'd appreciate it. Peace out, guys. Gang, gang. That bitch, Carol fucking Baskin.